There are no rules to this game of crypto. There are only winners and there are losers. The winners are people who are willing to take action by any means necessary and do not care about what the others think. And the losers, on the other hand, follow these influencers and KOLs to buy any coin that they shill while the influencer is selling on top of their heads for you to only be left holding these worthless tokens that they sold you. The difference is I don't shill my coins to my fans, and I'm upfront when I sell or if I rug pull tokens. It is not illegal to rug pull, and in this video I'm going to be doing a rug pull live with the MemeTools Bundler to show you how easy and how quickly some people are making money by selling and rug pulling their own token. Make sure you guys stick to the end so you can see exactly how much profit I made by bundling and rug pulling this token, and let's just hop right into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is head over to wallets here and generate around 14 wallets, and we're going to do bundled wallets here. So as you can see, we have 14 different wallets. Now I would recommend, depending on how much Solana you have, you do that many wallets, around 1 SOL per wallet. So for example, if you have 20 SOL, you can do around 20 wallets, or anything above that you'd want to do 20 wallets, which is the maximum. But if you have around 10 SOL, you probably should do around 10 wallets. It just works out better that way. So as you can see here, I have 2 fresh clean wallets. I have Video Dev here with around 17.7 SOL, and this is going to be my funder wallet, funding all of the bundled wallets. And then I have the Video Dev wallet here, which is going to have 2 SOL on it, and this is going to be the actual dev and creator of the token. So first thing I'm going to do is actually import the dev wallet here. So you can either import a wallet that already has 2 SOL on it, or you can just generate a wallet using this button here and send 2 SOL. Both are exactly the same. Okay, we've imported the 2 SOL, and now let's actually fund these bundled wallets. So what we're going to do here is head over to wallets in the bottom left, and then we're going to distribute SOL to wallets. Make sure you select wallets and do the bundler wallets. And because I have around 17 SOL, we're going to do 1.2 SOL in each of the 14 wallets. Boom. And now you can see we have 14 wallets here with 1.2 SOL and the dev wallet with 2 Solana. So now I'm going to show you how to actually set up the buy settings and the sell settings. All you want to do is head over to the buy settings and make sure the maximum buy amount is not the exact same as the amount of Solana on each of the wallets. So for example, here I have 1.2 SOL on each of the wallets. I want to put 1.1 as the maximum, and as the minimum, it doesn't really matter, but you want to keep a slight range so it looks a little more realistic when you're buying. Now for the priority fee, I'd recommend 0.001 or 0.002, but if you're using a lot of money like this, 20 SOL-ish, you're gonna might as well just up the fee a little bit. The dev buy, again, you want it to be less than the dev holds on the wallet. So in this case, I just put 1.7 SOL. Slippage, 15-20% should be fine with this amount of buys. The delay doesn't matter because of the type of bundle we're gonna do, and then the Jito tip can just stay 0.005. And make sure you guys turn on Jito anti-mev and set your block engine URL to where you're close to living. So now you're just gonna make sure you save the settings here. Go to the sell settings, same thing. You could do 0.001, but I recommend 0.002 and turning on the anti-mev Jito. So boom, we pretty much have everything set up. Now let's actually change the launch settings. In this case, we're going to be doing a token called Eyeball. I've already picked out a token name and ticker, as well as the image. I would go through the whole process of doing that, but that could be a whole video in and of itself. It would take hours to kind of explain my process of thinking. But this is just a little shit meme coin that took me a couple minutes to cook up, just so you guys can see how easy and how quick it can be to actually profit with the bundler. But I recommend you guys do AI tokens, make some sort of fake AI LARP or some real AI, utility so that the token can blow up, because AI has been going absolutely crazy recently. So after you have the name and the ticker, make sure you set the bundled launch type to delayed bundler. This makes sure that when you do bundle it, it's not going to be immediately on block 1, but you can drop the bundle whenever you want. And I'm going to show you my technique to actually dropping the bundle. So you're going to make sure you click save here. We've set up the buy settings, the sell settings, and now we're just going to choose an image, and we're going to choose this little eyeball. It's a dog, but it kind of looks like an eyeball. And now everything should be set up correctly. So all you're going to do is click prepare launch before you actually do the launch. And now we launch the token. So now the token has launched. It actually opens up a little Pumpfun for you, but I recommend going on Bullex or Photon. So as you can see, we have the dev buy and then a couple of other buys on top of that. Now my method that I recommend is you actually head over back to MemeTools and sell on the dev dev wallet because we have not actually dropped the bundle yet. So as you can see, we sold on the dev wallet right here for 1.7 Sol, and now pretty much everyone is out. There's one more guy in here, so we're gonna try to wait for that sniper to get out, but it's even fine if he does stay in. But we're gonna drop the bundle in 1 second here. Honestly, it's taken a while for these snipers to get out, so for now I'll just drop the bundle to show you what it would look like. All you're gonna do is head over to MemeTools here and click bundle buy, and as you can see here, we have bought across multiple wallets with some other wallets as well buying in here. So as you can see, the tokens actually starting to send, people are buying it, and you know, we're just gonna wait here to kind of see how it goes. All right, the tokens volume is looking pretty dead right now, so what we're gonna do is just sell all to see how much we actually made. All you're gonna do is head over here and click sell all on pump, and as you can see here, we sold for 16.5 Sol. And as you guys can see here, I started out with 17.7 Sol on this wallet, so that means we made around 4 Solana on this wallet. In this wallet, we basically broke even. So in this case, we made about 4 Solana in like 5 minutes with no preparation, no build up, nothing. It took absolutely nothing, and we made that much Solana that easily. Now, of course, if you were to take your time, build out a better project, have a website, a Twitter, a Telegram, like this can go so much bigger and you can make so much more Sol. I just wanted to show you guys a proof of concept where we made 4 Solana. It was very, very low risk because even if no one bought, we wouldn't have lost any money, and we managed to profit 4 Sol with no risk and all the upside. Of course, this is just a little quick test. If you guys want to use the bundler that I used in this video, I linked it in the description below. If you guys have any questions about being a dev or bundling tokens, I have a free Discord in the description below where I'm going to be soon launching a program helping devs be better devs, make more money, and overall, you know, profit more as a developer. That being said, make sure you guys follow my Twitter and join my free Telegram as well. I appreciate you guys for tuning into the video. It's Crypto Light Skin, and I'm out.